Last year, I went solo traveling, but nothing could prepare me for what was to happen next. Disaster. I was experiencing freedom for the first time. I had money, I had time, and I had my health. But then all of a sudden, I lost it all. I spent the last 12 months getting it back, clearing my debts, paying my dues, squashing my pride. But now I have a new challenge, and I'm taking you with me. Six months to 100,000.
Oh, I got my peoples. You ain't see me from this angle for a second. I know, but I'm back in business. It's Monday, the 2nd of March, 2026. Welcome to March, baby. Welcome to a new month. March Madness. You know what I'm saying? I am just heading to the gym right now. Oh, by the way, over the course of this weekend, we had US and Iraq bombing Iran. And, you know, price of gold has obviously spiked up. It hasn't hit new all-time highs yet, although it's looking like it's going to go that way. DXY is also up by 0.70%, which is crazy considering I was actually expecting it to go down. So it's very interesting to see how the dollar index and gold go up simultaneously at the same time. That's pretty mad. So it's interesting to see what's going to happen in the markets today. My prop firm has stopped trading today. They said that they're not allowing trades to take place. It's been disabled or whatever until tonight. You know, they say it's for the benefit of the trader so that they don't blow their accounts and whatnot. I really think it's for the benefit of the prop firm. Obviously, this is why we prefer live accounts, guys. Live accounts. So yeah, I won't be trading on my prop firm account today, I'm guessing, but we're still going to look for a setup today regardless on my 250 flip challenge. What was I going to say? Yeah, this week I've only got one trip. I got a shoot on Thursday, right? So that's the only thing that we've got outstanding for this week, which means I should be getting in some good chart time, baby. So yeah, I shall see you in New York session. Let's go.
So there's a trade that I was thinking about taking, but it's not on the currency pair that I want to be taking it on. I'll show you. Obviously today is crazy with the news over the weekend and stuff like that. The markets are moving wild. So I'm not even really trying to apply too much risk to it. No, go and lay down. Don't even bother coming over here. So as you can see here, price is taking out the low of the day. And I'll have to zoom in just to kind of show you. So as you can see here, this is the last order block. Price rejected, failed to break lower, and then push through. So essentially, this level should have been my entry level. But do I want to be buying it? No. And the reason why is because if you look here, EU is moving even weaker than it should be compared to the dollar. The dollar's up by 0.8%, which means EU should be down by 0.8%, but it's actually down by basically by 1% almost. So it's very, very weak. The currency pair that I do want to be buying is GU, because GU is very, very strong compared to the dollar right now. So I want GU, as you can see, GU is only down by 0.67% when it should be down by minus 0.89% in correlation to DXY. So yeah, I'm waiting for GU to take the low, but it looks way, way far off. But as you can see, its partner EU has taken it already because it is weak like that. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm not looking to take this trade as such. So as you can see, it looks like it's probably going to be stopped out. I don't want to be buying that right now. So yeah, man, still waiting. I want a good trade. I just want a good trade. So I'm not trying to be rushing into the markets. If I was to take this, it would be with a lot less risk. I should be risking £25 on this trade based off of the flip challenge plan, but I wouldn't be risking more than £10, £12 maybe. But I'm not going to take it. I so badly want to short it right now. I so badly want to short EU. That took out my stop, what would have been my stop loss, by the way. So I was right in not taking the trade, but I so badly want to short it. So badly. But the way I need to see it is that if I had 50k, 70k, 80k, or if this was my last trade to complete the 100k challenge, would I short it when it's not in alignment with my rules? Probably not. So yeah, I need to distract myself from the markets right now. That's one thing I've learned. When your emotional side, I guess is my emotional side, tries to take over, your logical side, which is the master of trading, the professional trader, you have to distract your emotional side. It's like you're in a war in your mind, and in order to take back control, the best thing that you can do to take control over your emotional side is literally to distract it. So I'm gonna walk the dog, and hopefully that serves as a big enough distraction whilst I wait for GU. Okay, I'll wait for GU. If GU comes, takes out that level, then we might have a trade on our hands, but it don't look like it's gonna happen today, so we'll see. But yeah, guys, I got bored and I took a trade on gold. Got stopped out, minus like £4.50, but I just wanted to satisfy the itch. My bad, I know, my bad, but I've done it. Now I'm done for the day. Okay, I just took another loss. What am I doing, guys? Minus £8. All right, let me distract myself. I'm going to get in the shower. I'm not over trading. It was literally a 0.01 lot size trade. This is what happens when you get bored. My account is on £216. Shouldn't have done it. But it is what it is. I'm done for the day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. This was the trade, by the way, just to kind of let you know. Yes. That was the trade. Okay, so the market it's gone past 4 o'clock now. So just to kind of explain what was going through my mind. Now, my QT account is not connected to my Flip account today, and that's because I wasn't able to trade on my QT funded live account, but I was obviously able to trade on my Flip account. Now, the problem that occurred today, obviously I was taking, you could say, these FOMO trades. I don't even know if it was FOMO. They're really more boredom trades than anything. But the reason why I took the trades is because really I didn't have another account to trade with, and I should have had like even a demo account would have been good for me. But essentially I saw a pattern happen in the market that had occurred before, that I had been right about before, and my brain recognized this pattern in the market. And a lot of the time when I see the pattern play out, I want to take a trade. I want to put, just to test it, just to see if the trade works out. And because I didn't have a demo account or another account running, I thought, all right, cool. What else can I do? Let me take a quick 0.01 scalp on my Flip account, and it's not connected to my QT account, so it's even better, because I would be taking a 1% risk on the QT account if I had placed those trades. For each one, that would have been 1%. So that's probably the reason. So that is the reason, should I say? That is the reason why I took those losses, and those boredom trades. It's because I saw a pattern that I recognized and I wanted to put some emphasis behind it. There's just to help reinforce that pattern. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a reason and reasoning behind it. I'm not actually a dead trader. I can actually trade, but yeah, that was just I wouldn't even say it's not a schoolboy error. It's just, yeah, my brain was getting excited because I saw the pattern. Anyways, let me pattern up and I'll see you tomorrow. Guys, it's Tuesday, the 3rd of the 3rd, 2026. And I forgot to check in this morning. I went out to work with my granddad, so I didn't hit a gym session. And I'm on the markets now. It's 1:40 and the markets are looking like, they're looking untradeable. They're looking untradeable. I mean, I haven't got a setup. Price is still not performing. So what I'm going to do is today, I'm going to keep myself occupied. I'm going to create and edit a video using AI. Little something that I'm working on in the background. Just don't you worry. I'm going to work on that. And yeah, I've set my price alerts anyway. So let's see if these alerts get triggered. If they don't, then no problems. I'm still being productive today as well. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, I've entered a buy limit order and I'm waiting for price to come and tap me in. Price is an area on the daily time frame, which was a turnaroundable area, a reversal area, let's just say, that I was looking at from ages ago, but it didn't actually tap in. So now it's finally tapped in after the manipulation and the crash of GU. I'm expecting potentially for this to be the turnaround point, and I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I've got a setup taking out the daily low. So let's see. As you can see. All right, folks. So limit order didn't get tapped in. It's now 4 p.m. So I needed to delete my limit order. So Rico, stay there. Don't come over here. Stay there. Look out. Who's that? So yeah, this is what happened. Didn't tap me in. Price on GU is looking really strong. It was struggling to drop down here for ages. So I'm expecting GU, when the dollar starts to lose a little bit of strength, GU's going flying. But yeah, unfortunate. I'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. Just a quick one. It is the 4th. It is Wednesday, the 4th of March. Wednesday, the 4th of March, 2026. Let me just double check that for you. Yeah, it is. It's Wednesday, the 4th of March, 2026. And I'm just about to get into the gym. Markets today, they're moving a little bit slower from what I can see anyways. And I'm hoping to catch a move today. The main thing is catching a move and, you know, not jumping into anything that isn't there. No trade yesterday, so I'm a little bit more keen today. I haven't got anything today to do. Tomorrow I'm going to be shooting in Birmingham, so I am not going to be on the charts. So I'm hoping to catch something today or Friday. So let's see what happens. Again, I'm not trying to force anything. I'd rather take no trades than a losing trade. And kind of go from there. So yeah, let me get in a gym and get out of here. All right, peeps. No trading day for me again today. So yeah, looks like I'm not going to be trading again until maybe Friday. So let's see how it goes. It's not looking too good. Is it, Rico? No. So yeah, another day, another no trade. See you on Friday. Morning, guys. Shoot day today. So I'm about to make my way to Birmingham, which is about 100 miles away for those of you that aren't in the UK. And yeah, I actually get a lunch break at 12 o'clock for an hour. So I might mark up the charts then, set some price alerts and see if we can get a trade off. But we'll see. I'm not expecting to make a trade today. Don't really want to make a trade today. It's NFP tomorrow. We've got unemployment claims today. So not really a market that I want to be trading in, if I'm honest with you. But if there's a setup, we gotta take the setup, you get me? So yeah, I'll see you soon. Morning, guys. It is Friday, the 6th of March 2026, and I didn't catch any trades yesterday. I got finished at about 4 o'clock, so yeah, no time to jump on the charts, but we secured the bag anyways from that shoot, which is the main thing. Today's NFP, some mad red folder news at 1:30 p.m. UK time. However, red folder news hasn't really been affecting the charts these days. It's more been tweets from Trump or random news or geopolitical breaking news, wars and stuff like that. That's actually been driving the market. So I'm not expecting there to be a big reaction from NFP today, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna be active in the charts, so I'm gonna see if I can catch a trade, God willing, and hopefully make back the loss, the small loss that I took on Monday. To be fair with you, if it was a real loss, I would have taken like a £25 loss. So the fact that I was only down by £13 is not too much of a biggie. Although I shouldn't have even taken the trade anyway, so it's one of them ones. I should still be up. I should still be up essentially, but nonetheless, we go live today. I'll see you on New York session.
Okay, so it's NFP, and I haven't. Well, I say it's NFP in an hour, but I've got a setup on USD Chef, which is quite a good setup, I can't lie. Ticks most of the boxes. The only box it doesn't tick is the fact that the dollar is bullish for sure, but USD Chef is struggling to gain bullish strength because of how strong the Swiss franc is. Apart from that, everything else is in alignment. So yeah, I've set a sell limit order and it hasn't tapped me in yet. Let me show you. As you can see here, in fact, let me delete this line. I don't need this line anymore. So this is the high of the day. As you can see, prices come up to sweep the high. It tapped back in to this order block here, and it failed to push and break this high again, and it just dropped through it. So that's my entry. Okay, there's a potential 5-minute entry off of this level here. Let me show you. If price breaks through this order block, because as you can see, price came down, tapped it, came up. That's a wick, but now it's looking like it's gonna push through. So there's a potential 5-minute entry as well. I would obviously like to have the 1 minute because that's a nice tight stop loss, and it's giving me 1 to 3 as well. If we do get it. So yeah, man, let's see what happens. I will obviously be risk off when the news hits, but we still got an hour left, so let's see. Okay, so I'm in off of the 5-minute entry because price didn't come to tap in from the 1 minute. I'll let you know how it goes. We got 45 minutes until NFP hits. So yeah, let's see how it goes. And we're in. Okay, so price would have tapped into my 1 minute entry. We're running in mad drawdown right now, and it's looking like we're probably going to get stopped out. Let me show you. As you guys know, the 1 minute entry was up here, and as you can see, it's come to tap us in. But there's also a 78% there, as well as obviously the order block entry, which I was looking at, which price is in right now. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We got news in 30 minutes. So yeah, it's not looking good right now, but if this goes TP, I'd be slightly upset that I didn't get in on the 1 minute entry. If it goes stop loss, then I'd be quite happy because I wouldn't have to pay all of the commissions, having a tighter stop loss and bigger lot size, excuse me. So yeah, we'll see. And it's not looking good. Bomba clot. The news just hit, boy. The news just hit.
Yeah, it's looking pretty crazy still. It's looking pretty crazy.
Now, if QT has stopped me out by any, but listen, I will be so annoyed. So let me check. All right, guys, shall I tell you what the mad thing is that my broker stopped me out and QT stopped me out as well. But QT stopped me out. So my broker stopped me out. It looked like I got slipped, essentially. And QT stopped me out at 0.6%. My risk was 1%. So I'm a bit confused. I'm really confused. I'm done for the day. I'll show you on each side of the screen. You should be able to see. And yeah. Mad, innit? Pretty crazy. Okay, so price came back up to entry and I've taken another trade. Yes, you could say this is revenge trading. I don't think it is, however, and the reason being is because it's come back up to entry. I've taken a second trade on my funded account and the trade only has 0.4% risk. So if it hit stop loss, then it would have been my full 1% risk that I've lost today for that account. That makes sense. So yeah, so there's a method behind the madness. Other than that, I'm not taking another trade on my flip challenge. The flip challenge done for this week. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me show you. There you go. Guys, I messed up. I completely messed up today. And I say that because the trade hit TP. The trade has literally hit TP. Look, as you can see, nice, beautiful TP. But the problem is that I manually closed the trade before it hit my stop loss. So I closed it on like $36 loss instead of accepting the full $40 stop loss. So I closed it when price was literally right there, that wick. I closed it. And as you can see, I should have left it. And yeah, as you can see, the price flew to TP. So reality is, yes, I made a mistake. That's the only mistake that I've made today. Apart from that, it would have been a winning day. Okay, if my broker and my whatnot didn't take me out, then I would have held the trade regardless and it would have went to TP and I wouldn't have to have taken another trade. I always know when I take a second trade, my psychology is sometimes off, and hence why I managed to trade, because my psychology is off. However, I have learned, just leave it, accept the risk and leave it, okay? And another thing that I've learned today is not to trade around news. That's the reality. Especially if you trade on the intraday time frame, so the 1 minute and the 5 minute like me, then don't trade around news because you'll get slipped even if it is the correct trade. So I just prefer to stay out of the market if that's the case. So yeah, one thing that I've learned today, all of these things make you a better trader. It's not like I've really done too much wrong today, but these things are learning lessons so that I know what not to do moving forward. Quick summary for this week. As you can see on the left, we've got my flip account. Balance is £203.26. I'm down this week from 228, I think, to 203. And on the right, we've got my prop account, and I'm down by roughly 4.2% maybe. And that's it really. So yeah, I'll see you next week where we shall escape the drawdown.